I now give the floor to the representative of Pakistan.
Thank you, Mr. President. We would expect the UN to call on the Afghan interim government to prevent such cross-border attacks and infiltration by the TTP and other terrorists into Pakistan territory. These terrorist groups include Daesh, ISKP, Al-Qaeda, and particularly the TTP and its affiliates, who are responsible for persistent attacks against Pakistan's military and civilian targets. The Afghan interim government's failure to control the TTP and other terrorist groups erodes its claim of full control of its territory that it asserts in order to secure international recognition. The United Nations should undertake an investigation to find out how the TTP has acquired advanced military equipment and weaponry, and to identify the sources of the TTP's financing, which is helping sustain its 50,000 fighters and their dependents, and its terrorist operations. Mr. President, I am confident that this Council will join Pakistan in demanding that the Afghan interim government terminates its relationship with the TTP and its affiliates and prevents them from having free rein to conduct cross-border attacks against Pakistan or other neighbors.